In this video, we are going to learn how to dynamically add properties in a JavaScript object array. My name is Dhananjay Kumar. So let us say that you have an array like this where you have properties name, age and marks. But what you want an array where grade, a new property being added to each object. In this video, we are going to see how we can achieve it. So to add a new property in an existing object array, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use JavaScript ECMA6 for each statement. For each method is a method on array.prototype, and we are going to use that. So to use that, what all you need to do, you need to call students dot for each. And what this for each statement does, it takes a callback function as a parameter. Instead of callback function, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pass an arrow function. So here, in this way, you can pass an arrow function where we are passing a parameter. And what I can say that, hey, how about adding a new property a.grade and put some value 99 to this student's array. Now keep in mind that in JavaScript you can add a property dynamically. What does it mean? That even though that property does not exist in the array objects, you can add that later. Now what this line of code will do, it will go ahead and add a new property in each object called grade and assign that property with the value 99. What you should keep in mind here is for each statement. For each statement loops through each rows of array of object array, and it takes a callback function or an arrow function in which you can write your own logic. So let us see how it gives us output. So when I go and run this, you see that you already have grade 99 added to all objects, or rather all rows of this object array. Okay, so this is cool that we are able to add a property, but that property has the same value. What if you want different value for grade? And for that, of course, there are many ways. What I'm going to prefer is that I'm going to randomly generate that value. And to randomly generate that value, I'm going to write a function. And what this function is going to do, this function getRandomInt takes two input parameters, min and max, and it will just it is using math.floor, and it is returning me a random value between this minimum and maximum. And here in a.grade, what I can do, I can call that function instead of assigning this 99. And here I can pass minimum and maximum values. Let us say I want minimum and maximum 30 and 100 for the grade. Now, this code will add a new property grade to object array. And grade will have random values in between 30 and 100. So let us go and run it. And here you see that grade has random values now. So to summarize what I did, I have a student array. On a student array, I'm calling for each method, which is a property of array.prototype. For each method takes a callback function as input parameter. So instead of callback function, I'm using arrow function. And in the arrow function, I'm adding a new property grade and then assigning it with the random value. So this is it. This is very important. You might have come across many times for this requirement. And I hope this quick tutorial helps you in this. Thank you so much for watching it.